Come here, Uno.
See that? What was that?
Here, Uno. Here. Eat your cookies. Alright. Come on in here, Whitaker. Whitaker!
Come on, baby. I see you. You're a sweetheart. Come on.
He says, I'm a good boy. Come here, Whitaker. Come see the kitty. Don't hide behind Miss Sherry. Come see the kitty. Come here.
Kitty could hurt me.
I mean, that's good. I want it. It's good if he's scared of the cat. At least he's not going to try and attack the cat.
Oh, there's a kitty.
He's like, I'm just ignoring that cat. Come here, Whitaker. Come here, Whitaker. So I'm going to sniff the cat now. Nope. Okay.
You wanna say wait it in
Come here, Whitaker.
Come here, baby.
Little baby boy.
Come here. Come here, look. Just say hey, kitty. Just say hey, kitty.
He's doing all he can to ignore him. Oh, yeah. So Uno started to move toward him, so he moves away. Like, oh, God. Okay, that's with the cat. Alright, let's see. Come on, Geneva. 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 G. G, go see that doggy.
Okay.
Uno's like, hello, nobody's feeding me. Yes, I see you. Geneva's our new friend.
Thank you.
Good boy. So I can meet new friends. He said, I just don't want them all over me.
He doesn't like the hot dog.
Geneva, go meet him.
Look, I pet Geneva, I pet you, I pet Geneva, I pet you, look at that.
Whitaker. Big boy, what you doing? Pretty boy. Yeah. He's just all about a person.
Yeah.
He's have spent too long being neglected.
Come here. Go here. You do good.
Are you my good boy? Hi, Whitaker. Hi, Whit. Hi, Whit. What you doing? Oh, my goodness.
No.
He says, somebody beat me up once upon a time. There's a good boy. Gee, come here, meet this friend. Come meet your friend over here. Hi, Whitaker. Whitaker, you good boy? Are you a good boy? He's a good boy. Yes, he is. I'm so precious. I'm so precious. Alright, that's Whitaker.